Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making delicious, smooth as silk burnt custard. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, in a saucepan, heat cream over medium-low heat until almost simmering, then remove from the heat. Next, in a mixing bowl, beat egg yolks and half cup sugar until thick and lemon colored. This recipe is so easy to make. It can be made 2 days ahead, cover and keep chilled. Next, we are going to temper our eggs. Make sure you start by small amount of milk, otherwise you'll end up with curdled eggs. Give it a few stirrs, then pour it all in at once. Add vanilla extract and mix well. Pour the mixture into a measuring cup. Then place 6 custard cups into a baking pan. Pour the custard mixture through the sifter and divide it among the cups. Just like so, guys. Next, fill the baking pan with boiling water to a depth of 1 inch. Bake the custard at 350 for 45 minutes. The custard is out of the oven and it should be scorched on top when it's baked. Just like so. Remove the cups from the pan to a wire rack. Cool for 15 minutes, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until chilled. When you are ready to serve, coat the top with remaining sugar. Just like so, guys. Use a propane hand torch to caramelize the sugar. Garnish it with blueberries and raspberries. Just like so, guys. Time to taste. You see, it's hot, guys. So yummy. So delicious. This caramelized sugar takes it to another level. I hope you try this recipe, guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my newly uploaded videos. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.